Hey YouTube, we're just going to jump right in. This video is a collab with my homegirl, JoBeauty87, aka Grace, my late night, early morning chat bestie. This is a PR package from Queen Musia, and she received one too. So I'm like, you gonna do a collab and do the try on? She was like, sure. So there's 2 lipsticks and a mascara. This look is in a different video, and so when I do the try on, then I'm going to go back and do the finished looks. I didn't want to do the mascara and the lips in that video because I'm like, I don't know how she's doing her video. But yeah, y'all should have heard of Grace. Some of our subscribers, I think, yeah, quite a few. Well, some of our subscribers overlap. So you're familiar with her. This is what the mascara looks like. If you're not familiar with her, and you like seeing dupes and comparisons and makeup battles, this one over that one, should you get this one? No, because you got that one, or yeah, this one I add to it, but the other one won't. She's a great channel for that, and she does really bold makeup too, and I love her style. So it says Queen Musia 2053, and on the box it says simple black. The PAO, I believe, when I squinted at it yesterday, was 12 months, and it's made in Italy, vegan, and some other stuff. 9 months, 6 months. I believe it says 6 months. You know the print is always super tiny. So we're going to put this on and see. I didn't bring the paper that had the claims on it. And so I'll just put over here like what it says it's supposed to do. And it's something where it has a lash serum, something in it as well, where, and I do believe it said 42 days using this, you will have like noticeable lash length. So it doesn't, and it does say fragrance free, I remember that, but it does have a smell, because even stuff that doesn't have fragrance added, it still has a scent to it, but it's not bothersome. So we're going to put this on. This is a big brush, and so I'm going slow, because I've been using, excuse me for smacking, the MAC Stack Mascara, and that has a thinner wand than this, and so I'm kind of just like, uh-oh. So I'm spiking my inner lashes, the teeny tiny ones that droop down into my eye, and for these over here, I am able to just go from the base and turn the brush as I go to coat my lashes. It feels nice. The brush feels like a brush. It doesn't feel plastic. I can see it. I don't look for much in the mascara. I don't look for volumizing, lengthening, anything. I just really look forward to remove any eyeshadow that's in my lashes or any eyeliner from the eyeliner pencil that's in my lashes. Like I don't look for it to do much. And I know some people do. They want lengthening or curling, volumizing. And I'm only saying this to say, this being a demo and my first impressions, I don't look for much from a mascara, but it is supposed to lengthen. So you let me know. Is this eye starting to clear? So I don't know. And it's hard to tell because I do have on a thick line of black eyeliner on my upper lash line, but I can see a difference down here between lashes over here. Let me go in front of a white square in my background. So I can see a difference there. But here, these are my natural lashes. And so, I don't know. Now that I'm really looking, I'm like, it kind of looks the same a little bit. But thank you to the brand for reaching out to me, for sending this. I will have a link to them through my Shop My store. I need to find out if there's a code for you to actually get a percentage off if you want to try this. Their line is limited. There are lipsticks, bullet lipsticks, and y'all know I'm a liquid lipstick person. But I am going to try the bullet lipsticks because I know some of you do prefer bullet lipsticks. So they have the lipsticks, the mascara. I forget what else they had, but it's only a few things. They don't have eyeshadow, which is not a big deal because there's so many friggin' eyeshadow brands. This one I am seeing lengthening, or maybe it's because my lashes where I'm spiking now are longer than the lashes I spiked over here on the inside. And so I am seeing, oh my gosh, are my lashes really just longer on this side? Because this side, even looking here, I can see it, where this side I cannot. What? And it does say you can put on as many layers as you want. This is a nice brush though. It feels like a brush. It feels soft. It feels nice. I see over here, but this side I'm still not. So maybe these lashes are just longer anyway. I don't know. But I am seeing the lashes more clearly than before I put the mascara on this side. And I can definitely see the mascara on my lower lash line on both sides. And so my eyes are not burning or itching, which is always fantastic. I think these lashes are just longer because I don't really see much over here. But over here, I can actually see them. That is strange. So for the lipsticks, I have two different colors. The packaging, y'all, is different than anything I've ever seen. This is the packaging. And it's thick. Like, this is a thick thing. And so this shade, and it has Queen Musia here on the side. This shade is Montreal. And I'm probably spelling it wrong. I'm saying it wrong. It's Montreux. And you just pop this off. This is what this shade looks like. I'm thinking to do one lipstick color, and the other lip the other color. That's what I'm thinking, instead of putting on and wiping off. This is the other one, and this one is Ada. And the lipstick colors didn't look that much different. And I probably could get away with like putting this on the top lip and putting Ada on the bottom lip. And just don't do one of those things. That's what I think I'm going to do, just so we can see the colors. And what does it say on the box? Matte cream lipstick. I think it's pronounced Montreal or Montreux. I'm not sure. Clean, cruelty-free, vegan. Clean doesn't mean anything to me because there's not a standard definition in the beauty sphere of what clean makeup is. The PAO does look to be 12 months from what my blurry eyes can see. So what we're going to do, we're going to wipe off lipstick. You know what? These might be nice too for a soft ombre look since the shades are not that different. And all of the shades are within this range. Ada looked to be, is that Ada? Ada looked to be the darkest, and that's not even dark. And y'all know I do like a dark lip too. But I said, you know what? Let me just try these because I might like them. And you might like them. So we're going to take Montreal. I know I'm pronouncing it wrong. And we're going to, oh, it feels nice. Oh my gosh. All their colors were like nudish like this. But this, I need to make sure I get over my lip line. Because you see how you see my lip line is dark right here. Smells like just a regular lipstick. Feels nice. This is going to come off because I haven't eaten breakfast yet. The color, isn't horrible. If I want a nude, this would be it. I probably would still do a brown lip liner. This sucker's huge. I like the shape of it. It's not going to slip out of your hand because it is grooved. And I like that the mascara is square. So if you sit it down, it's not going to roll. Like when I do flat lays, I'm always trying to catch stuff from falling. This is Ada. We're going to put her on the bottom. Is this lighter than? It looked darker than. It is a little bit darker. Let me pull this one out again. So this is Montreal, and this is Ada. So Ada does look like she would be darker, or he would be darker. But the formula feels nice. The reason I prefer liquid lipstick is because I'm not a reapplier. And I'm going to turn it over and use the point to get my lip line. I was going to say lash line. So when lipstick wears off, it just wears off. And liquid lipstick, it lasts longer. That is the only reason that I prefer liquid lipsticks over bullets. This feels really nice. And it does say matte cream lipstick. This feels nice. Doesn't smell obnoxious. It just smells like a regular bullet lipstick. I really thought this was going to be darker than this one. but they look to be on my lips. Granted, my bottom lip line is darker than my top lip line. So that might have something to do with it too, because these look the same almost on my lip. And so, what I was saying about doing a soft ombre look, an ombre lip, this one didn't work because they look like the same shade. We're going back to this top one, Montre, excuse me for pronouncing that wrong. And this is Ada, the one that was on the bottom. Yeah, they look very much alike. So the lesson here is it doesn't really matter which color you purchase. They do look, it does look different. Like when I come up back here to me, excuse me, they look the same. This just looks a little bit lighter, even though it's darker, which to me is just weird. But when I come close, it does look a little different. And when I smile, I think because the color smooths out, because like this, you see the natural lines in my lips. It's a slight difference, but it is a difference, but not enough where I think the average person would notice. And so I might actually do this and wear this out, but then I'm going to be eating, but then, you know, then I'll have to reapply. But, so my first impressions of the mascara, excuse me, it's a nice mascara. My first impressions, first time I ever used it, first time ever opening it. I'm seeing my lip line up here. Which one was that? I know y'all like, girl, just finish what you were saying about the mascara. It felt nice going on. I really like that it does feel like a brush. It doesn't feel plasticky at all. And I'm going to put all this stuff over here like what it says it's supposed to do. So it's a nice thick brush. I can see it on my lashes over here, even just looking like this. This side I can't. So I do really think these lashes over here are maybe just a little bit longer. I mean, I really don't know. And so even putting on more, it's still just looking the same. It's not flaky at all. It's not clumpy. It's not clumping my lashes together. The brush feels really nice. It doesn't have a scent to it. I mean, it has a very slight scent to it, but it's not aggravating my allergies at all. My eyes are not tingling. They are not burning. Always a plus in my book. I will keep using this. I will keep using this. I am going to find out if there's a code. If there is, I'll put it here, and I will put it down below with my Shop My link for this. And that's where they contacted me through, was the Shop My collaborations. And Montreal, I keep saying it wrong. The lipsticks feel really nice. The top one, as I'm looking at it, it is settling in, it looks like. So it is turning more orangey. And I do like Ada better. This is the one on the bottom, because this is turning more pinky orange type. That's this one up top. Yeah, it's settling in. Oxidizing, whatever you want to call it. It's a pretty shade. Would I use this if I had on, or put a gloss on top? I'm trying to think if I did a black liquid lip or brown, like just putting this like just here on the center, because it is turning more pinky orange. And the bottom one, Ada, is turning a little more coppery. I do like Ada, this one down here. They went on very smooth. There was no tugging. There was no pulling. It does not feel dry at all. And honestly, it doesn't feel like I have anything on my lips at all. Like, this is a lightweight formula. Again, first impressions. But I don't feel like I have anything on my lips at all. And it does feel moisturizing. My lips don't feel dry. Yeah. I like, they look nice. They look nice. They feel nice. Excuse me for smacking. So that'll be it for this video. Thank you, Grace, for this collab. Do check out her channel. I will tag her in the title of this video. And if you click on that, it'll take you to her channel. And then from there, you can find this video. And if I have her link, or if I can snag the link, I'll have the link to her video in the description box. And if you click on that, it'll take you directly to the video. But either way, I have hanger marks in my shirt. Look at that. I'm so easily distracted. But yeah, either way, get to her, check her out. If you're new to her channel, tell her Dion the troll sent you. And I appreciate you for being here. Have you heard of Queen Musia? I'm looking at my lashes again. So I can see, it's just weird that I can see these here, but these one I can't. But then also this black liner is thicker right here in the middle than over here. But yeah, it's doing something. So that'll be it for this video. Yeah, if it's your first time visiting her channel, tell her Dion the Troll sent you, and I appreciate you for being here. And we didn't do the intro, but as always, self-acceptance and self-love. That is the Crazy Troll Nation way. Thank you. Go ahead and subscribe, click like, comment, share, all that good stuff. And that'll be it. So yeah, you'll see me soon.